Hello. Raining today it is. Bloody soaking. So it's scuppered to me plans. So I'm going to fill a kettle and have a cuppa first. Catch us in a bit.
Dave at the allotment. Dave, what are you after this afternoon? Still cracking on at the allotment? Get the kettle on. It's Dave at the allotment. See you in a bit.
Well, the rain, but it's better than the wind. I was expecting to be coming over here and being blown away by Big Bertha, is that what they call it? But there's plenty to do, so bloody magpies. Like I say, there's quite a lot to do, unexpected jobs inside the shed. I might as well give it a tidy up while the gardening programme's on. So I'll see you in a bit. Well, it's amazing how much rubbish you can gather within the growing season. So really I'm glad it's raining today, because the shed is messy. Everything's just all over the place, so tidy time. Get rid of the stuff, you know. Here's there something. Marmite peanuts. Lovely. I forgot that they were there, otherwise I would have ate them. So before I tidy up anyway, I'd like to thank everybody for the comments on my last video about that printing press that's down there. I'll show you it later. I've tidied it up. It looks quite good. I went on eBay and I was quite well, shocked, to tell you the truth, on how much they're actually worth. I know mine's missing the roller, but I've seen one on eBay exactly the same as mine, and that's nearly £200, and it's still got a day and a half left, and there's about 7 bids. So I put mine on last night on eBay, and within an hour I had a bid, and I've got 17 watchers already, so God knows how much it's going to go for, but just shows you what you can find in skips. There's gold in them there skips. Anyway, well done to Gehenna, I think that's how you pronounce the name, who spotted another skip find which I forgot to tell you about. It's knackered, like it. This came from the same skip as that. But I was what I was thinking about doing is making it into a plant pot. I stick a plant in there, you know, put it in somewhere in the garden. But it'll look canny, I suppose. So I'm going to put the gardening programme on and do a little bit of tidying up.
We've got a 1.5 acre mixed broadleaf woods which is being restored. It's open until hoppers fall this afternoon, and I think any garden that opens today in this weather is a small charity, and they're open for the National Garden Scheme this afternoon. They deserve your support, so do pop along if you can. But if you want to stay in the dry and you're in the Alec area this afternoon, pop into the Flower Festival at St Paul's Church on Prudder Road, which is just down the road from the police station. I had the pleasure of opening that festival on Wednesday evening, and the arrangements there are all absolutely delightful. They've got 36 of them all over the church, depicting local parishioners and societies connected with its work. They even had a little waterfall as part of a display from the roots part of the Alec Garden. They're keeping the church open this afternoon.
Well, I'll crack on with this because I don't want to film it all. That'll be really boring. So I'll sign off. See you in a bit. Well, that's the shed tidied up. It's the tidiest it's been for a while. I've had this old Burko boiler thing there, and what I was thinking about doing, so I'm going to try it. Next to the furnace there, I've got a water boiler. It's an old electric one, but it's knackered. But my theory is, when I put the fire on, the heat off the fire will heat up that metal bucket here, and it's got a tap on. So I should have running water, hot running water, whenever I want a cuppa. So that'll be canny. I think I may try that this afternoon because it is a bit damp outside, to say the least. Yeah, see, I found this kind of good. This was in a skip, like everything else. Meditation time. Ha, no, it's not. There's that printer. I've cleaned it up now. Like I say, I've put it on eBay, and the one exactly like mine is going for about 200 quid. So thanks for everybody for letting us know what it is. It will be interesting. I'll let you know how much it's raised when I sell it. Hey, there's me Shallots. It's like one of them Ferrero Rocher pyramids, isn't it? Oh, monsieur, you're spoiling us with your Shallots. I have had a bit tidy around in here as well. This was just a dump pile, but it's all cleaned, ready, getting prepared for winter. I've got all my tools hanging up there, nice. They haven't been up there for a long time. Spade, axe, fork, hammer, saw. There's my secateurs and some old golf clubs which I found in a skip. But there might be antiques as well. But anyway, I was thinking while I was pondering my thoughts, I've got all of this here. All of this polycarb. So my thoughts were, because this bit here, it's outside my shed, this is a proper sun trap around here. Painful beer can, man, painful. This bit here, I don't want to stand outside because it's tipping down. What I'm going to do, or thinking about doing, is going to make a little greenhouse sort of area here. Well, just a roof. I'll use that plastic for the roof. See how it goes. Obviously not the daylight, that's winter projects. But I've got enough to do it. I thought I had enough to do that whole greenhouse with the net over, but I haven't. It's pointless having half a job. So it's time to get the kettle on, I think. About time anyway. See you in a bit. Rainy Day Blues. Shit. Thank you. Skills.
I was born and bred in a place you'll know by the mouth of the Tyne. It isn't far from Newcastle, it's a place that I call mine. Now fishing was a choice of work, it's a hard life to lead. Now no one seems to have that choice, there isn't any need. And all the boats that line the shore have slowly disappeared. Slowly disappeared. I've been sailing away for life and a day, 'cause I know I can never leave. My heart and my soul and all that I know belongs in Sheaves. In the Cunny to the Sheaves. So what's become of this town we all love, this town we all share? It's a canny old place, but the funny old thing is that no one seems to care. And all the boats that line the shore have slowly disappeared. Slowly disappeared. I've been sailing away for life and a day, 'cause I know I can never leave. My heart and my soul and all that I know belongs in Sheaves. In the Cunny to the Sheaves.
Well, it's been far too wet to do anything outside today, so I've been concentrating on the shed. I've done a little bit in the greenhouse, but I'm going to try and show you around via the zoom button. So I'll start off with my sweet corn. Now, like I've said before, this sweet corn was supposed to be the mini sweet corn, you know, for stir fries and that. But they've turned out to be like massive. They're going to be massive anyway, I know that. So that's strange, unless, I don't know, if anybody else has grown them, I'd like to know a little bit about them, because I haven't, it's the first time I've grew them. My runner beans are starting to get loads of runner beans on now. Still a little bit small, but they're coming thick and fast. And the onions, I've had all my onions up now. They're all dry. They've all been dried out. I've put them over in the shed here, so I'll show you in a second. The other day I did start taking the weeds out from my path, like, because I was getting a bit overgrown. I just take it off this tripod. Be easier. Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah. Tidied the path up a bit because it was getting a bit too overgrown. I have managed to get something today. I picked some more tomatoes, and I keep getting a load of these blackberries and a load of tomatoes. Still got a load on as well. And there's my onions, the shallots. Doing okay, look okay to me. That's one of them big ones. And compared to the size of the other ones, it's pretty massive. So I haven't done too badly. I've still got another 8 in the ground, or 7 I think. Back on man, you're getting wet man. What else have I been doing today? Oh yeah, while I'm here, remember when I says I was making a little light thing from this? Well, it's starting to get darker now, so you can see it. It's lighting up there, looks canny. Oh, I'll not do that. It looks quite good. I might take it round in the house. Anyway, I'll quickly show you in the greenhouse. It has stopped raining for now, like. It's been tipping down all day though. No wind though. We're supposed to be getting hurricane force winds, but nothing. I have been in the greenhouse trimming back a little bit of this grapevine. Let the bunches on that are on ripen up now. All thinned out. And all that kind of thing. You see I've still got a load of tomatoes and that on. And me cucumbers. They tasted nice, by the way, so I'm glad about that. I'm still getting a load coming on there. So that's about it. Swear it has stopped raining. I just got it on the I thought I was zoomed in there. What I did do as well, I was saying before, I put that boiler there and see if that, but I had the fire on for a couple of hours and it got like lukewarm, but no, you know, you wouldn't be able to boil a kettle from it. So I might just, I don't know, see what happens. But it was an idea. There's that butter thing. Kind of good little place for it to sit. So folks, that's it for another week. So I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for commenting, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for doing everything. It's appreciated. Cheers. All the best to you all, and all that kind of thing. So from me and Annie, say bye, girl. See you in a bit.